Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2013 Honda Odyssey. In this video I'd like to show you how to take off your front driver side panel. It's a very simple procedure, and you will have to do it in case if you have to do some repairs on the glass, window, motor, regulator, speaker and stuff. So let's start. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to have some tools: flathead screwdriver and Phillips screwdriver. Let's start by taking out this cover here. Okay, so let's take a screwdriver and open this lid. Behind the lid we have two screws, 1, 2, and we have a screw right here. So remove these 3 screws right now. So I got my screws out. Next step, we will have to open this lid right here. Okay, so we take a screwdriver and carefully, there's a little place here where you could actually fit a screwdriver. Just using 2 hands, unclick this cover. Put you guys here for a second. Don't force it too much, it's gonna go. Okay, here, let's take this connectors out. Press the middle piece and need 2 hands. Let me put this here for a second. Okay, disconnect one and the other one. So here, to disconnect it, you press the middle piece. I hope you guys can see it. Press here and then move it out of the way like this. Here we have a screw, so we'll have to take it out also. So let's take it out. So we got 4 screws out, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's take this thing off, unclick it, and now at this point the door is being held down by clips. So we'll just take the panel off the door by unclicking the clips. I mean, we're just gonna force it. So find some good grabbing point, for example right somewhere here, and pull. Okay, this panel has been taken off before, that's why it came off so easy like this right away. Yours is gonna be tighter, so you'll have to just work yourself, just 1, 2, 3, a little bit by a little bit, and you'll do it. Then raise the panel up, and here we'll have to wiggle out the handle and disconnect the connector. Put it here for now, and that's it. That's how you get to all the goodies here. If you have to do whatever maintenance you have to do, you do it, and then we put everything back together. So to put everything back together, we do the exact same reverse procedure. Take a panel. So, oh, by the way, sometimes clips might stay in the door, so you take the clip out and put it back in place. Okay, just keep that in mind. Connect connector. Get in the handle. Like this. It's hard to film one hand, but okay, good, we got it. Also, don't lose these 2 connectors, and we're all set. So now to put it back on, raise up and put the top on first. Okay, so this thing goes first. Make sure it's not crooked and nicely aligned like this. Nice, good. Then align clips. When the clip is aligned, just click them back in. Good. Yeah, Next step, connect connectors. That's it. And put screws back in. This screw, one screw here, two screws here. Make sure that you put the small ones here and the long ones will go here and here. Make sure they are aligned, the holes are aligned. If they're not, it means something's crooked, and fix it. So let's put the screws back in. Once we have the screws in, just click the panel back in. Okay, everything works. Put this thing back in here and a lid. That's it. As you can see, it's a very simple procedure. And guys, I hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.